let's talk about this remap tool here. For example, we have a cube here that we can make it editable, and from this comment, cubic 2 and this is our UV. And we want to create a texture from here. For example, we have a texture, then we move this UV from elsewhere, and then we can remap the the texture that are in this position to another position. This is all about remap. So for doing that, we don't go outside the Cinema 4D. We're going to paint at first. From here, I will be explaining body paint later. Paint wizard, it's creating texture for our model. Then going to the next, we don't want to recalculate UV next, and done. You can see we can paint on it. We are going to the UV edit, and for painting directly in the UV, you have to select the texture. It's create a simple material and assign it automatically to the object. Select the material. Now you can paint here. I'll just write 1, 2, 3, 4, and such as these things. We are going to do this UV. First, we have to store UV. It's very simple. Store UV coordination. It means this UV was in this position. And then we move the UV. You can see the texture is in its position, but the UV is changing its coordination. And we want to, because we store this coordination of UV, we want to remap the previous texture into the new position of UV. Just remap. It tells you, okay, you remap which one, color, diffuse, anything that you set in texture. You can, for example, you have a normal displacement, alpha, environment reflection, and so on. You can make it cut. For example, if you don't want to cut it, okay, you can see it will be copy there. But if you go to the remap and cut it, it also cut this texture and remap it from anywhere. So you can copy and cut the texture to another position of the texture based on the UV coordination. So you can store or you can restore position UV. So you learn store UVs with remap here. That's it. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.